Oh my gosh, isn't it just adorable? Hi Barbie dolls, I'm Azusa Barbie. I mean, this is my mini-me and it's me, Azusa Barbie, talking right now. Needless to say. Anyway, so look at her face. So she got cute pink face mask. I made it for her and she loves it. Don't you love it, Minnie? Oh my gosh, Azusa, I love this face mask. See? She loves it. So let me show you this face mask. It was not super easy, but you know, I don't like sewing and I'm not good at sewing at all, but even I could do it, so maybe you can do it. So today I will show you how I made this face mask. Super cute. This is just so adorable. You gotta try this. So please watch. So she needs the face mask. Let's start. So have any cloth. I'm making the pink one for my mini. So yeah, I already cut out this cloth. And we need 1.5 square inch. First of all, we need to hold like this. And we need to glue here. And make sure you check in with your doll. Yep, that's good, I think. And if you put iron here, yeah, of course it will make it easier. And I'm using this 3-in-1 glue. And put glue just a tiny bit. It's good. And hold it. This glue dries pretty quick. Yeah, so see? It's already like this. I'm cutting this excess shredding part. Let me pin and fold the other side. And let's see. Yeah, it looks good. I think it's big enough. And fold. Now we're gonna stitch. Looks weird, I know. I told you I'm not good at sewing. Yeah, with my long nails, it's pretty hard. That's my excuse. Anyway, so let me stitch. I'm having a little darker pink because when you see the stitch, it looks cuter. So I'm using this color today. And now we're gonna stitch here and here. Like this. Yeah, I know it's not straight, it looks kinda ugly, but I don't care. I'm trying my best. I'm not good at sewing. And stitch the other side too. And then this messy look, well, I can do something later, don't worry. And now I need the same color of yarn. So you put a needle here. So go like this. And we can tie. Huh, her ear is too small to hang. Yeah, maybe tying on the back looks better. Yeah. Okay, I got an idea. Okay, let's try again. So have yarn like this, okay? And now, first of all, I wanna tie around here and make one knot first, like here. Yep, this is good. Yep, make a knot here, like this. The rest of it, you know what? I'm gonna braid. Okay, I think I braided enough. Yeah, so let's tie. If it was not long enough, I can adjust it later. So, not big deal. Like this. So now I have a little string, but thicker than yarn. So do the same thing on the other side. Don't worry, I know here it's messy, but don't worry about that. Yeah, okay, do the same thing. Okay, now I have 2 strings on both sides. And here, the messy back side. Yeah, the front side is fine. I mean, not perfect, but fine. Okay, so this messy part, so now we need like a little square rectangle cloth. Please have glue again. And just put it over. And you can kind of put the shredding part inside, so we can also glue that part, you know, so it won't shred anymore. Yep, like this. Okay, I think I did it. So here's Barbie size face mask. Yay! So let me put it on her. Oh my gosh, she looks the cutest. Her mask is covering her nose as well, which is good. I mean, which is supposed to be. Oh my gosh, how cute. From back side, so we tie here. Yeah, just tie here. You know, the purpose is gonna be just for display or photo shoot. So for the back side, it doesn't need to look super perfect. You know what I'm saying? Hope you don't see. We can totally make this a little shorter, but with my nails, it's kind of hard if the string was shorter than this, you know. So as long as I can hide this string when I see from front, see? You don't see that awkward string from the front. So yeah, I will just leave it because easier to put it on her. Yeah, doesn't matter. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pinktastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.